Hello, welcome to your Channel 82 News once again. Today we are going to be talking about the blizzard and the storm that's been arousing about Iowa. Over to you, Bobby. Yeah!
Do you hear me talking across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky?
Yes, sorry about that. It is not all good and daisies out there. We're going to show you a different side of how the blizzard is truly affecting our citizens of Iowa.
Take a picture of Kara's lovely face and mine. Horrible. Kara, look at the camera.
I need a puke.
What's Caleb doing?
I don't know.
Oh, that's Jordan. Can you turn the video camera on?
Yes, folks, it is snowing out here. The winds are starting to pick up. We just want to warn you, please stay inside. People are starting to call it the Blizzard of '09. As you will see, there is snow on the ground. Yes, this is definitely snow. So please take precautions. And if you have a sled, we couldn't get to ours, but we'll demonstrate how you can have fun in the sun. Okay, the winter. So here we go. Okay. And now we are going to show you some interviews that we took with some Iowa residents and how they feel about the blizzard. So how do you feel about this blizzard, sir? So, sir, how do you feel about the blizzard this year?
Man, I don't really care about blizzards. We got to miss school today. That was the best part about it. I don't care nothing about a little blizzard. Hope there's another one. Isn't that right?
Go
Yeah.
ahead, Daddy. I'm going to go to the bathroom.
I'm not her dad. We don't want school around here. Shoot.
Daddy.
Unforgivable.
Some people were simply speechless about this blizzard. This is how one resident felt about the snow. And what do you think about the blizzard? Thank you for joining us today on our sequence of the terrors.
So was it because
And we
the wind is
conclude
blowing into
with
the
this.
hill there?
Power to
You
the
think?
people.
Christopher, shut up.
Can't, Christopher.
Turn back around, you're hurting me.